Welcome to Brambles For You. I'm your friend Chocha. Have you ever tried solving a Rubik's Cube and thought, this thing is impossible? Well, today, that changes. Rubik's Cube Challenge, made super easy, especially for kids. You don't need speed, you don't need to be a genius, just follow the steps, pause when needed, and solve along with me. So, grab your Rubik's Cube. Start with part 1. And by the end of series, you'll be able to solve the Rubik's Cube all by yourself. Ready? Let's begin. Let's get to know about the Rubik's Cube. So, first things first. White should always be opposite of yellow. Red has to be opposite of orange. And green has to be opposite of blue. And also, you always gotta hold yellow on top and white on the bottom. Let's get into it. First step is the daisy, which should look like this. It doesn't matter if white corners come on all these edges. Let's get into it. So how should we solve our daisy? Well, if one of your white pieces are on the very bottom, you can turn it either right or left. I might as well turn it left because it's way easier. Left, and then this piece that is white should go onto top. Boom. Like that. And then it is this piece, which we gotta turn this piece over there, this top piece to the left, and turn this piece up again. So there's 3 pieces already solved. Now we gotta search for the other one. There, we got it. Now, if we gotta spin this piece will go, so there will only be 2. So what we gotta do is, we gotta spin it to the empty place, and then spin this boy. And then turn it left, and then up. Now, we got the daisy done. Okay. Let's do this again. I just shuffled it. Remember, yellow should be always on the top. Now, we gotta do this again. Okay, white here, then that goes up. And then we gotta find the next piece. Now, this piece is white, and then we go up again. We gotta find the last piece, which is right on the bottom. Make sure there's no white middle sections on the piece that you're turning. Turn it that way, turn it again. Boom, that's daisy. Now we move into the next step. Did you guys learn how to make a daisy? It was super easy, right? Let's move into the next step. Next step is we gotta make a white cross, like this. Okay, how to make a white cross. So, what we gotta do is, orange has to be matched with the orange middle section. We might have to turn it a few times. So we turn it like that, and now that the orange middle section is matched, we gotta turn this piece 2 times down. 1, 2. And then there'll be 1 white piece with the white middle section. Now it's white and white again, and under it is green. Green's already matched with the middle section, so all we gotta do is turn it 2 times down. And there'll be another piece solved. Next, white is already matched with the red one. The red top section is already matched with the middle section. So again, turn it 2 times. 1, 2. And then white's under is top section is blue, and under it blue, the middle section is already solved. So if it isn't solved, just try to match it with blue. And then we go down again 2 times. 1, 2. Now that the cross is done, we move on to the next step. It's kind of hard, but you'll get it soon. The next step is to solve the white face. When you solve the white face, the bottom sections should all be matched with the middle section. Let's get into it. So, how we make it a full side white. Okay, this white, beside the white is blue. See? Blue. Okay. This white corner's mate is blue. So, we gotta match this blue with the blue middle section. We just turn it that way. And then now that it's solved, now that it's matched with the middle section, we turn this piece left and then this piece up. Then we just gotta turn this piece right and then down. That white piece has came to the bottom. Now we gotta find the next one. Next piece white. That is this white corners here. Its beside mate is red. That's already matched with it. But always remember, when the white section is on the left, you gotta turn the face on the top layer, right. Now, if your white piece is on the right, then turn it to left. Okay. Now that that's already matched, we turn it right, and then this piece up, and then this piece back left, down. Now that piece is already there, we gotta go to find the next piece. Oh yeah, if this piece is on the top, you're gotta go up and just spin this any side you want, and then down. Now this piece is right here. Beside him is blue. We gotta match that with the blue middle section. Turn it 2 times and then it's blue matched. Now we gotta turn this piece left, then this piece up, and this piece right, and then down. So we made one face clear. Have you noticed this last layer? It's in a straight line, all matched, and the middle section is correct with it. Just don't. We made the white cleared and this last section of the cube right too.